In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to troubleshoot when you're having trouble accessing ChatGPT. Whether you're a frequent user or just getting started, there might be times when the platform isn't responding as it should. Let's walk through some simple steps to identify and possibly resolve any issues you might experience. First, let's try the most straightforward approach. Open up your web browser, head over to chat.openai.com, and attempt to load the home page. If it loads successfully, then fantastic. You won't need any additional steps right now. However, if you're seeing an error message or the page refuses to load, don't worry. We've got a few more tricks up our sleeve to figure out what's going on. Our next step is to check the official status page. Open a new tab in your browser and go to status.openai.com. This page is a reliable resource provided by OpenAI that keeps you in the loop about current system status. Here, you can see if there are any known incidents or outages affecting ChatGPT. If there are any ongoing issues, you should see a notification on this page. This will let you know if the problem is on OpenAI's end, or if you might need to look into other solutions. If the official status page doesn't clear things up for you, let's expand our search. Head over to downdetector.com. It's a popular platform where users can report problems they're encountering with various online services. Once you're on Down Detector's homepage, use the search function to look up ChatGPT. If you find that a lot of other users are reporting similar issues, then you can rest assured that it's a broader problem and not something specific to your device or network. Last but not least, don't forget about social media. Platforms like Twitter, or X as it's also known now, can be incredibly useful for real-time updates. Search for @OpenAI to see if they've posted any updates or alerts about platform performance issues. Frequently, companies use their social channels to communicate swiftly with their user base, letting everyone know about problems and when they expect things to be resolved. By following these steps, you should be able to diagnose whether the issue is an isolated incident or something out of your control. While these steps won't fix every problem, especially if it's an outage on OpenAI's side, they'll certainly give you insight into what's happening. Thank you for watching, and I hope you find these tips helpful in keeping your experience with ChatGPT smooth and seamless. Don't forget to subscribe for more useful tech tips and insights. See you next time!